Okay guys, hello and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to take a look on how to get Cyberpunk for free, because it came in like 4 or 5 days ago, and I was unable to do it right the day when it come out, because I was just not home. I just got home today, and I decided to make a video about it. So everyone who doesn't have the money to play the game, that you are not sure if the game is working on your PC, because the game is really hard, and even the best PCs have a problem to play that. So today we're going to take a look how to get it free. It's not something dangerous or something. It's like normal everyday video, and you see this. It doesn't look really friendly here. We all know that. Long time. But thank God we have a torrent here. So we're going to click on a torrent. Now it's gonna open you the torrent site, and you're just gonna click on it anyway. It's waited 6 seconds, and now you have to allow this. When you click on allow, it will open your uTorrent. Look, here you can see I did open the torrent, and it starts to download the game. I have the game downloaded, so I don't have to download it again. But funny thing is, I saw it on internet that it has 70 gigs, and it was downloading 55. So I was like, there was something wrong here. But to my interest, it's working. Now you're just gonna click on this CD thing, yeah? Just gonna double click it, and it's gonna open. The main thing in here is that now it's like inserted the CD in your computer. I had a really big problem with that, because some of the games were like changing the look of my files, so I was scared. But when you download, when you install the game, you just click on this and click this and eject, and it's gone. It disappears, and you don't have to worry about that anytime. Now we're going to click on setup, and it's gonna open the loud music. Yes. So there it is. You just pick where you want to download it, where you want to install it, and you click on install. The game will start to install, and the moment it's installed, you will see the big button finish over here. I think it's green. Now the only thing you have to do is just close all of those things and go to see your Cyberpunk. Now you're just gonna click it, and it's gonna show you this, and I'm not sure if you see it, I hope yes, but some Poland stuff that scared me on the first time. But you click yes, and it's gonna open the Cyberpunk. Alright, you see it, nice. So as you can see, Cyberpunk is working. Everything is working like all the time on the game, on that game site. I wish you to enjoy this game. I hope it works for you. I had to put it on 70p. Thank God I have got a 70p monitor at me, so I didn't have a problem with that, because I don't see any big difference, because it's on like maximum of my display, so I'm okay with that. But as you can see, Cyberpunk is working. Everything is working like it should work. I played for a while. So guys, thank you much for watching. If you like this video, or this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. It will make me happy. And have a nice day, guys.